Welcome to Let's Weave Beads. Here I have sewn up my two sides, leaving one side here undone. It's not an absolutely perfect sewing job as I'm not a great sewer, but it's pretty close to the mark, and that's what you want. Now at this point our thread is coming out on one side. What we want to do is have it come out in between, so just go to the next what you would stitch and just let your thread come out in between. Then we're going to turn it inside out. Now this part can be a little difficult. You got to practice some different ways that you find work for you, and you just want to get it to go. And of course be careful of your needle that you don't stick yourself or anything. You just want to keep working it until it's completely in star shape. One thing I like to do too is take the pencil and just use it to help the points come out. And one thing you can know you've got it is you'll see your thread along here, and then you know you've got it all the way turned out. Alright, and that's our 3 points here, and then of course our other point will be when we sew up this side. So once you have your star turned inside out, then you want to put in stuffing. And I use a polyester fiber fill, this kind of stuff, and then I just stuff as much of it into the piece as I can get in. You just keep stuffing and stuffing. You want to make sure that you will have enough to fill this side when you sew it up too. That looks pretty good to me. So in the next video we'll go over how to sew up your last side.